So as you can see, I have finished. So if you're cheating, you haven't done the rest of your sphere yet. No, I'm just kidding. So if you need to see how to do it, I said before, I want you to figure this out. So I did work ahead of you, but I am going to talk about how I got this effect. So the last you saw, I blended the shadow into the middle tone of the green of the sphere. What I did after that is I put my contact shadow where the sphere would be sitting on the table touching it. It's very dark down there. Then I pulled a shadow out from under it, cleaned out my brush, and I blended it into the color of the table. Then, to sort of level it up, I put light on the sphere by using white paint. So I put it on there, cleaned out my brush, then I blended that in. The whole time I did that, I was using curved marks. So you can see like the marks here look very different than the marks on the cone. This convinces me more that this is a cone. This convinces me more this is a sphere. If I held a sphere and I wanted to actually paint it, I would have to curve my paintbrush to get around the whole thing. So curving my marks really helps create the effect that it's a three-dimensional object. Looks like I can pick it up off the paper, but I really can't. So I look forward to seeing your practice and your results. So when you send your images to me, hopefully you've done a good job. And we're not going to sit around painting forms like this for the rest of our lives. But if I know how to paint some of these forms, I can look at some other forms and I can figure out, well, how would I paint something that is round? How would I paint something that does have a flat side? So this is good practice for when we move on our next assignment. All right, guys, good luck.